In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Docs document as a PDF. Whether you need to share your document in a universally accessible format or simply want to save it for offline use, downloading it as a PDF is a perfect way to go. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps together. First off, ensure you finalized and saved your document in Google Docs. This is crucial because any changes you wish to include in the PDF need to be in place before you initiate the download process. Once you're sure everything is perfect, we'll proceed to the next step. Now go ahead and click on File in the upper left corner of your Google Docs page. You'll find it right there on the menu bar, which acts as the gateway to a variety of options. This is where you'll access the tools needed to download your document. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list of options, you'll want to hover over Download. Doing this opens up another menu listing several formats in which you can download your document. Choose PDF document PDF from this list. Selecting PDF is an excellent choice if you need a document format that is compact and maintains the design and layout of your content across all devices. This format is particularly useful if you plan to distribute your document to an audience, as it ensures that all recipients see exactly what you intended. Once you've clicked on PDF document, your document will start downloading automatically. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your document and your internet speed. You should see the PDF appear in your browser's download bar or in your specified downloads folder. And there you have it! Your document is now downloaded as a PDF and ready to be viewed. You can open it using any PDF reader or simply preview it in your browser. Remember, PDFs are great for sharing since almost everyone can open them without any issues, regardless of the device they're using. To wrap up, downloading your Google Doc as a PDF is not only quick and easy, but it also ensures your hard work is preserved in a format that's both professional and widely accessible. Whether you're sharing it with colleagues, clients, or simply keeping it for yourself, the PDF version is a reliable companion. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy PDF creating.